From digital artworks and towering skyscrapers to filmmaking insights in the charming streets of Asakusa, this is our Tokyo adventure. Embarking on a 3-day Tokyo adventure, we found the city had evolved since our last visit. Let's begin with the Harry Potter Studio Tour, which opened its door in June 2023. It is the world's largest indoor Harry Potter attraction. We bought our tickets online to secure our preferred date and time. While my husband knows more about Harry Potter, I myself crammed in a few films beforehand to appreciate the experience fully.
Once inside, we went straight for breakfast at the themed restaurant. The food was decent, though a tad pricey, but it was the intricate details that really impressed us. After breakfast, we explored film sets, costumes and props that brought the Wizarding World to life. The set recreations were amazing. We browsed the well-stocked merchandise shop. If you're a Harry Potter fan, this place is a must visit no matter what your age. We could have stayed longer, but unfortunately we had to dash to our next adventure. Next up was the Team Lab Borderless Museum, where art meets technology in a mesmerizing digital display. Located in the bustling Odaiba area, this museum invites visitors into a world where art knows no boundaries, as interactive installations transform with movement and touch, creating an immersive experience. The artworks danced and transformed as we wandered from room to room without a map, discovering new wonders at every turn. Though the crowd noise sometimes hampered the experience, the beauty of the art was undeniable.
Day 2 led us to Tsukiji Outer Market, a haven for affordable traditional Japanese cuisine. Known for its vibrant array of fresh seafood, produce, and traditional Japanese street food, this market is a haven for food enthusiasts eager to sample authentic Japanese flavors while soaking in the lively atmosphere of one of Tokyo's iconic hotspots. The bustling food stalls offered a delightful variety. Just remember to bring cash, as most vendors prefers it. From Tsukiji Market to our next destination is about 27 minutes by bus. Wanting to get some fresh air, we decided to walk. Diving into our second digital art museum, we headed to Team Lab Planet's museum. Visitors are encouraged to engage with the art on a physical level, such as walking barefoot through water or lying on the ground, to fully absorb the dynamic visuals projected around them. Are you choosing between Team Lab Borderless and Team Lab Planets? While Team Lab Borderless boasts more space for total immersion, we found ourselves drawn to Team Lab Planets. We favor the design setup, and the experience of wading through water really sets it apart. Just a quick tip: wear roll-up pants to avoid soggy exits. Both museums are great, though they might be a bit tricky to those with mobility issues. For ticket details, be sure to visit their websites. Just a stone's throw from Team Lab Planets is the Toyosu Fish Market. While waiting for a slot at Team Lab Planets, we took a quick detour to Toyosu Market, the replacement of the iconic Tsukiji Market. Wandering around, we were able to get free access to the observation deck. The complex is home to various sushi joints, though street food enthusiasts might be disappointed by the lack of street stalls.
On our last day in Tokyo, we made our way to the Shibuya Sky, despite the cloudy skies and a forecast threatening rain. The elevator whisked us up to the 46th floor, where we were treated to a sweeping view of the famous Shibuya crossing. Even with the overcast weather, watching the organised chaos of people and traffic below was mesmerizing. We headed up one more floor to the 47th, where the main observation deck offered stunning 360-degree views of Tokyo. You can imagine how breathtaking it would be on a clear day, but even through the haze, the endless cityscape had its own moody charm. After soaking in the views, we made our way to Asakusa, where we were staying. Since we hadn't fully explored the neighbourhood yet, we decided to wander around a bit. Tucked in the heart of Tokyo's vibrant Asakusa District, Tsukiji Temple stands as a timeless gateway between Japan's ancient past. As Tokyo's oldest temple, dating back to 645 AD, Tsukiji isn't just a place of worship. It is a living storybook of tradition, culture and resilience.
From the towering Red Gate, crowned with its iconic Thunder Lantern, to the bustling Nakamise shopping street that hums with the scent of incense and the chatter of kimono-clad visitors, every corner of Sensoji pulses with history and energy. As we continued exploring, we spotted the Asahi Brewery building, with its eye-catching, somewhat bizarre golden sculpture on top. Definitely a conversation starter. We wrapped up our final day in Asakusa with a warm, satisfying meal. Tucked away on a quiet street, we found a cozy little family restaurant. The dishes were humble, yet bursting with flavor.
Overall, our Tokyo adventure was a combination of magic, art and culinary delights. We left with hearts full and a longing to return for more.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up or share your thoughts in the comments below. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more great content. We appreciate your support. See you in the next video.